So Walther PPQ. Safe. Okay, this is the reason I have a PPQ. Here's the wall. Like, it's almost non-existent. And then bam. The release is right there. It's faster than a Canic. It's so smooth. Again, right there. I'm gonna let it out. Okay, so we're gonna come back. Okay, you could kind of hear it. There's the wall. It's definitely a wall right here. But come back. There we go. It is the nicest trigger I've ever felt in a striker fire gun, other than a Canic. I mean, that's okay. Minimal pressure right here. It's almost too light.
A 5-year-old could squeeze the trigger.
Yeah. I mean, and the ergos. The whole reason to have a Walther is the ergos. I snagged this guy up from a neighbor down the road, and it came with a couple 15-round mags, a couple 17-round mags, but also got a hold of a brand new G43X for the wife, even though she's not a big fan of it. And compared to the Walther, the trigger on the G43, it's so mushy. Like, it's like pushing back on a damn... It's like there's gum in the trigger compared to the Walther.
I don't like that, or the grips.
So, it's got a good break. And a good reset also. But it's a stock Glock trigger. I mean, it's nothing to write home about. But the whole point of the Glock 43X is to get those shield mags. And I'm just rocking the factory mags right now. But, I mean... Oh, well. So, I mean, PPQ... Definitely an underrated gun. And the G43, it's a Glock, what can you say? But, both solid guns. My latest acquisitions. Just showing you guys what I got here lately during the epidemic. But I will check back in with you and maybe show some footage of me shooting the PPQ. I have still yet to fire this 43X. Hush, little baby, don't you cry. Daddy's gonna put one in your eye. If that magazine should jam, Daddy's gonna buy you some oven roasted spam. Shh. Night night, baby.